It's been 1 month since I set up this 20-gallon planted tank, and things have changed a lot. New fish, explosive plant growth, one unexpected loss, and a surprise I didn't see coming that's now living in a breeder box. Let's take a look at what's working and what's not. If you saw the original build, you'll remember the layout: wood and rock for hardscape, plants, and a clean open space to grow into. The plan was to keep it low-tech, planted, and peaceful. I added in a few different species of fish: Harlequin rasboras, cherry barbs, Amano shrimp, blue dream shrimp, and a nearite snail to start. I really took my time letting this tank cycle, so everything immediately was thriving. A month later, this still remained true, so I decided I could add in a few more fish. When I was at the fish store, they had about 11 cardinal tetras, and I didn't feel right not getting them all, so I got the whole school of 11. They instantly lit up the tank, and watching them school through the plants has been awesome. They school tight when they're nervous, but chill out once they settle in, and that's when you really see their personalities come out. They're also super peaceful and kind of the perfect community fish. I also added a Pandagara. This fish is such a workhorse, constantly active, peaceful, and always cleaning the rocks and glass. I seriously think more people should keep these. They have a ton of personality, and he literally just came right up to the camera as I was filming this. I actually already had this Pandagara for about 6 months now, and he was in a tank that was a little too small for him, so I threw him in the 20-gallon and he's been thriving. Not everything went perfectly though. About 2 weeks in, my Amano shrimp died. All my water parameters were solid, so I think it may have just been stress or a weak one from the store. Still never fun to lose something so early on. Rest in peace to the best janitor. In better news, the plant growth has been insane. Even without CO2, everything seems to be thriving. The plants have spread out fast, their stems have doubled in size, and the background is finally starting to fill in. Almost every single plant is doubled in size or is showing new signs of growth since being added in. I also added a few new plants like this lucky bamboo and this other plant that I don't know how to pronounce. Every single fish that I added into this tank originally are doing great. These cherry barbs really brightened up in color, and the shrimp are all super active. Some of the shrimp might have gotten a little too active because this one got pregnant. As you can see on the bottom of her, there is eggs that she's carrying. Looks like 50 to 60 eggs. And I separated her into this little breeder box with some plants, basically her own home that will keep her safe from the cherry barbs and everything else eating her babies. And this is just filling up slowly with tank water, so she's always in the same water as the main tank, and it keeps her nice and healthy and safe. The 20-gallon also has next door neighbors now, being a shrimp jar that I built. That video I'll link right here if you want to watch that. And there you have it. That's an update on the 20-gallon planted tank 30 days later. If you want to watch the original build, I will put it right here, and you can check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and all that stuff. We will see you in the next one. Peace.